What's up, YouTube? You're looking at the recently purchased DeWalt's pressure washer. So let's get it on the bench and see what we need. I can tell right now this looks like there's a air filter housing that goes there that's not there, but we'll see how we did. All right, so got pull start here. Plenty of old gas in it. They said, the pawn shop said they'd had it for like 6 months, so it's at least that old. Looks like we're missing the air filter and the air filter cover. We can order those. Oh, not certified for sale in European Union. I like that. This means this thing's got some American power. Spark plug. The guy pull started it after like 20 tries, and it started for like 2 seconds at the pawn shop before it cut out, so we know it's got some spark in there somewhere. And everything else looks pretty complete. The wand that came with it doesn't appear to be OEM, but the hose does, so we'll get into that. Right now, let's start tearing into the carburetor, see if we can get that nice and clean. These are 10mm nuts. So I'd like to get this old gas out of here before we go too much further. Let's see how easy that goes. Looks like we got some sort of little inline fuel filter here. Alright, carburetor on this doesn't look too bad. I think I'm just gonna try and give it a good cleaning and see what happens. Okay, got it off. Now it's time to put it in the ultrasonic parts cleaner. Oh, we just lost our little bowl gasket. So the gasket that goes on the bowl here has broken. Looks like it's the right size. That's good. Got both parts real clean. This thing, you gotta be kidding me. Is it that fragile? Cool. Looks pretty dark and kind of thin, if I'm not. We'll have to put some new oil in it. Let's get it started for now and see what happens. Alright, gonna put some of this ethanol-free, expensive stuff in there. So we're fully committed now. So I'm looking around on this thing and I don't know how to drain the oil out of it. All I see is this filler neck that's on by 2 bolts. Maybe if I take this thing off, this will work as a plug. It looks like this is kind of, I don't know, a pathway or a gutter for oil. And there's that. We'll see what happens. Oh, yep. Okay, so that is how you drain the oil. Take this wheel off first, and well, what a dumb design. But I got the oil out of it. Now I'm gonna, put everything back the way it was. Something else I just noticed. There's a bolt missing here, so I'm gonna try and use what I got and tighten it up. Alright, that's better. Alright, we've got non-ethanol fuel in there. Nice clean carburetor, air filter, did an oil change. Switching it to on, and let's try and get it started up. Alright, so got it starting on the first or second pull. Now let's see if we can get it spraying water. Okay. I'm going to turn on the water, purge the line, and fire it up and see what happens. Okay, don't see any dripping coming from the hose. I got the hose on now. Supposed to be able to. Ooh. Seems to be working okay. Getting all the air out of it. All right, let's see what happens. Woo. All right, so got plenty of pressure. Seems to be working good. Got it purring like a kitten.